What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to animate the pie chart on the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the very first step you can do here, you can open this Adobe After Effects, and after that you can go to this composition and go to the new composition to create your blank page of your project. And after that you can start to create the circle here. You can go to this rectangle tool, click it and hold it until you find this ellipse tool. Click it, and I would like to create the perfect ellipse, so you need to press the shift and drag it like this. And I will also start to move this circle a little bit in the middle. And after that you can go to this effect and preset, and you can find the radial wipe. You can select it and click it and hold it into this shape layer 1. And after this radial wipe being activated, you will see the effect control up here. So you can start to do the modification. For example, I will start to change the percentage of this transition completion to become 100%. And after that, then you can activate this transition completion here, and I will start to move the section, let's say, to become in this second. Basically this will be the motion, and after that you can start to change the percentage again on this transition completion, let's say to become 45%, like this, and you will see the preview of the movement like this. And the next step gonna be making the rest animation for this area. So you need to select this shape layer 1 and duplicate it by give the combination of the Control and D, or duplicate like this. And after that you can open this detail, and you can go to this effect, go to this radial wipe, and you'll see that this will be the section that we will do the modification. So you can start to change this time indicator a little bit, let's say to this section or this second, which is the time where the animation gonna be ended. And after that you can start to change the transition completion, and I will change it to become 0. Enter. And after that I will also change this area, the color, to become red, for example. Okay. And after that you can start to minimize every single layer here, and I will move this shape layer 2 below this one. And after that you can start to play this animation fully from the start, and you can press the space to play it. 1, 2, 3. So this will be the pie chart animation we have, and we can create it from the Adobe After Effects. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.